Manene nan manene guys, it's your boy LUV to the O. Sibuyile wakhona man, akondibitheni, you know, after a long break. If you know, you know, yabo. I hope, say, if ever been sending a cloud enlandelayo, sending the fans, I hope I'm disappointing doing break yabo, unannounced or whatever. If ever there's people out there who was like, what happened to this guy? I happened. Except so I appreciate if ever Sipine Sabuye. There's a lot that happened, yabo. Nayaz, my thing is always reacting to Amajani, and then the rest of Sauta will follow, you know. That's my thing. I react to Amajani. No, not saying anything about the rest, but like say, first priority is Amajani. There was a stream with Usonabile. Shout out to Usonabile for pulling up with Amajani. I wish I was there. That stream was amazing. I peeped. Apparently he called Bravo based on what I saw, and then Bravo called everybody else because Flash Ngumkana also sent a shout out to Bravo for what he did. Also the big man was there, Younger Chief, shout out. It was Maz, Tay Africa, Tali Rig. There was a lot of niggas there. Uyihlo was also there. It was nice. I loved it, and they broke records apparently. Except me, I've been busy with my own thing, you know, doing the hustle, doing things in my life. But ayo, that's my beeswax. I don't know when's and I'm so ndibuyile man ngabe ngithethe into eninzi ngoku. Shout out to BhutLegend for utake the way ngoku iCloud isajonga ngakubo. Why not drop a music video as well? I like that. I like the fact that he dropped the video with it, you know. For sure, he's single towards. We're expecting an album from from BhutLegend. I think Nikwando album. We're expecting that as well. Yeah, it was lovely seeing them in one room. Shout out. I love that. I can't speak. I can't. And there's a lot in the guy. Amajani angenile gaming, whether you like it or not. They just need to drive the momentum. Shout out to Amajani. It's closer forever, baby. Okay. Ngoluvo ngokuzo reactor to baby mama drama ka BhutLegend no Uyihlo. Peep, enjoy the show. I'm back now, yabo. From now on, it sense I was more consistent, yabo. Because I love hip hop, I love closer rap, yabo. I love closer rap, yabo. I love supporting the guys, yabo. Yabo. I love just being in the whole industry. It's my territory, you know. I love being here. I'm going to BhutLegend for the video. There's a lot I'm gonna peep through because I'm very behind. I know Abonestasi dropped. Everybody, it's a lot. Ken Kid has a beautiful interview with Buddha T Zinga. Anyway, masnga taking as in let's cook. Whoa, ingoma is written Malumdan, and then here, guys, please, I know the song is Baby Mama Drum, but you can't do that. Ichonge into niyenzayo prize. Mali umntana njani nguphe mama drama ubhalezana.
Phela inyanga, phela fast njani nalenyanga. Phone yami oko ibikhala. Dizayithini baby mama jam. Mama mntana ufuna imali yomntana. Mama mntana ufuna imali yomntana. Mama mntana ufuna imali yomntana. Dizayithini baby mama jam. Yiyo, phela inyanga. Phela fast njani nalenyanga. Phone yami oko ibikhala. Dizayithini baby mama jam. Mama mntana ufuna imali yomntana. Mama mntana ufuna imali yomntana. Mama mntana ufuna imali yomntana. Dizayithini baby mama jam. Nange phone funa ndoni. Ndiyamazi uphandle nabachomi. Ndiyamazi ulithi apha goy. Funa imali kiwe nabachomi. Phela fast la ngangekatshoni. Soze tuke mna kandenza ibhasi. Soze tuke mna kandenza soze tuandenza ispara people. Noba silele apha.
When he says, when he does that where he doesn't BhutLegend. I know here he's with Uyihlo. Uyihlo is more of a cuisine Xhosa rapper. Cuisine Xhosa rapper. BhutLegend is more like a future to me, like the way he traps, right? This guy, if we're talking about that bag, like I know trap, there are guys where I think like they are a bit higher than him, but he's on a different bag. This guy, like future future we Xhosa rap and trap, of course. He's too good with that trapping. I mean, this topic, baby mama drama, the way he tells it, I mean, how can you trap such a subject? Because it's something Singapore go through so sisonke and sena lo umahlambi uyagowa through into enje yabo. Apha khoyo yena ulithi, listen to the lyrics. Ke mna ka unzundenza except because nyani amazidi izakwenza kuba baby mama ufuna imali yomntana uyithumele kanti kuse usegroovini uyashota, you understand? And it's a topic that particularly the way he tells it umjida, the delivery is too much. BhutLegend bra future emehlweni wami walewe tswembula umjida vrasa man bufuna uqala iverse yakhe because what
Mfuna imali yomntana, mama mntana mfuna imali yomntana, mama mntana mfuna imali yomntana. Ndizoyithini baby mama jam, yiyo phela inyanga, phela fast njani nale nyanga. Foni yami oko ibikhala, ndizoyithini baby mama jam. Mama mntana mfuna imali yomntana, mama mntana mfuna imali yomntana, mama mntana mfuna imali yomntana. Ndizoyithini baby mama jam, nange phone funa ndoni, ndiyamazi uphandle nabachomi, ndiyamazi ulithi apha call, funa imali thiwe nabachomi. Phela fast la ngangekatshoni, soze tuke mna kandenza ibhasi, soze tuke mna kandenza soze tuhandenza isparapip, noba silele apha sihlale sime, ba usazi buze emphakathini, sandopopa ndibhukude emalini, sandopopa ndihlala ndisebhankini, mpela veki ifika ndiserashini, cima ifowuni ndifowunele ebantwini, uthi ungubani wakwabani, asikalali sinsizo lelinye, asikalali tyhini sirholile, asikalali tyhini sipopile, uthi ungubani wakwabani, asikalali sinsizo lelinye, yiyo phela inyanga, phela fast njani nale nyanga, foni yami oko ibikhala.
BhutLegend bhuti njayam uyatrapha tata, uyatrapha yinta, uyatrapha nta yo.
Ndizoyithini baby mama jam, mama mntana mfuna imali yomntana, mama mntana mfuna imali yomntana, mama mntana mfuna imali yomntana. Ndizoyithini baby mama jam, yiyo phela inyanga, phela fast njani nale nyanga, foni yami oko ibikhala. Ndizoyithini baby mama jam, mama mntana mfuna imali yomntana, mama mntana mfuna imali yomntana, mama mntana mfuna imali yomntana. Ndizoyithini baby mama jam.
Senses manga nomdlezane kodwa soze nimnike umsesane. Fly bitch I'm from Cape Town, the dog boy hands down. Fly bitch I'm from Ogonintswembu boy since it bends down. Nithingena ngokuphuma 10,000 when the house really had 10 girls. Nobathana waqhawuka plastic ngayilahla dolobhini downtown.
Ay hey mama singapromote into ezingekhoyo. Hayi bo. Okay, say ihlo tata ubusandothetha. I think le video you guys did it less ngoma. I know it's been long, but wehlelwe iwe mba. I think there's a girl, I didn't watch the whole video. There's a girl wena ubuyihlaba eyintontoni eyibottle what wabuya wasothetha iyabhulisha intoni ininzi le nto ngoku utshela uba uyadawuna eprice tolo zakho mazidibane bhuti supromote into ezingekhoyo apha.
Ewe nyanja mnanywa cha sis man chai ngawuzaza uncediswana ngusasa ngobe yami iphele kwakusasa nditye namahome shetinarha.
Yiyo phela inyanga, phela fast njani nale nyanga, foni yami oko ibikhala. Ndizoyithini baby mama jam, mama mntana mfuna imali yomntana, mama mntana mfuna imali yomntana, mama mntana mfuna imali yomntana. Ndizoyithini baby mama jam, yiyo phela inyanga, phela fast njani nale nyanga, foni yami oko ibikhala. Ndizoyithini baby mama jam, mama mntana mfuna imali yomntana, mama mntana mfuna imali yomntana, mama mntana funa imali yomntana ndizoyithini baby mama jam.
Shout out to the producer, man. That song is a banger. That song is too much. The video is nice, trappy, BhutLegend. Verse is nice. They stuck to the subject. I like that. Uyihlo did something I didn't expect. He was very funny in his verse. He was very playful with it. I like that. Yeah, well, he was very playful but still stuck to the subject. BhutLegend spoke about those that are very important. Yeah, well, where baby mama drama, what it is, you wanna basically. Yeah, well, then Umjita brought a bit of humor in it. Yeah, well, which is big shout out Mashita. That's a good song. That's unread game nag. Unread. But but for now, this is baby mama drama.